Hi folks, I'm going to walk you through the process of making this reel-to-reel wood decoration thing. I used a laser cutter, a CNC machine, and some hand tools. Created most of my vectors in Illustrator and then laser cut them out of some cardboard just to test things out, check positions and sizes before I actually started cutting with the CNC machine out of wood. I then brought the vectors into VCarve Pro to do the cam work. So you can see that happening here. Here you can see the creation of the fluted chamfered knobs. I started with some drill holes at the top and then used a large V-shaped bit to cut around and get that chamfer. And this is what it looked like coming out of the machine. You can see the tabs there that held everything together. There's the bit that I used. It's pretty big just to get that little bit of chamfer at the bottom, but that's what I needed for that angle. Probably what took me the longest was resawing the wood since I don't have a bandsaw. Ended up making a little jig to keep things straight going down the middle of the board. Worked out okay, but took a while. Once all the parts were cut out, it was on to sanding and prepping the wood. I ended up using Danish oil and it came out okay. I only used 2 coats. It looked especially nice on the darker wood, the walnut, and it really made the lettering pop as the end grain got a lot darker. After I glued all the parts together using epoxy, I was able to press fit the reel onto the hub using just pressure, no glue. This would allow it to come off later for easier moving and storage. And there you have it. Thanks for watching.